JDCap26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. Hi guys out there and girls. Subject for today is 3D printers. And what do I think about 3D printers at this stage of the game in 2020? I think I wouldn't buy one, to tell you the truth. There's about one or two printers out there. One is Prusa Mini, I believe, which is a very good rating on that. And I went through all the Amazon listings for 3D printers, and you know what? Every one of them was like at least 1%, 5 people on there didn't like the printer, had some kind of a problem, user issue, whatever. And that was even on the ones that everybody, the Creality, this, that. And they're slow. They make prints slow. It takes a long time to make prints. You have to assemble them. I don't want to assemble a printer when I buy something. I want to take it out of the box. I want to use it, and I want to be able to use it and produce a print, an object that that is off of the Thingiverse site, and I don't want to have any problems with it. So it's not like taking out an ink printer, setting it up, and you've got printed paper with instructions and this and that. And even with those, some people have some problems. So if it's not together in the box all together, don't buy it. I don't see where they're really proficient in making these printers. If I see 100 users at 100% on Amazon that say this printer is going to work, take it out of the box, it's all assembled, and it works, and here's my prints, here's my videos on it, fine, okay, that's great. But not at this point. Please rate and subscribe, give me the thumbs up if you can, and we'll see you next time in other videos, repair videos, hobby videos, model videos, etc. I do a lot of different videos. I hope you're having a good day. Please stay safe, and we'll see you next time.